On a sturdy branch, a few delicate eggs lay still. Soon, three tiny bulbul chicks emerged, soft and fragile. The mother brought insects and food. And the chicks opened their mouths wide, eagerly feeding and growing each day. As they grew bigger, they began to try their wings. One brave chick fluttered, but fell to the ground, sitting quietly before trying again. Slowly, with persistence, it fluttered up and finally perched proudly on a branch. This journey from egg to flight teaches us patience, persistence, and the beauty of nurturing growth. Every fall is just a step toward a stronger flight.